Woo, man. That's cool.
Well, I think it'll do a burnout just fine. Holy crap.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we're gonna keep working on the dually. Since the last time you've seen it, I don't know what much has changed. We did get the bumper shoved in just a little bit so we could bring it inside. We got a big snowstorm the other day and I didn't want to have to plow around it. So we looped it up, shoved it in with the plow truck, but we could only get it in so far. We need to pull it back out and do it again. It's greased up, it'll move. Just gotta keep working it. Today, we're actually gonna polish up the paint on the thing. We got the tailgate sitting right there. We got the buffer over here. We got some compound. We're gonna probably hit it with a number 1 for right now and see what happens. We took the camper special badges off. I think we're gonna take the mirrors off. See how easy it is to get to those. Pull those off. And I think I'm gonna wait to get this around here until in the roof till we get some masking tape. I don't want to get any compound in that rubber and struggle to get it out. But might remove the bug shield, get the front of the hood. Of course, we're putting the bug shield back on. And then right here is what I'm kind of worried about. I don't want to get compound in here, but I want to buff around it to make it shine. So I don't exactly know how we're going to go about doing that. It's got these spots all over the hood, just patina. I don't really want to clear coat over it because then you lose the original paint of the truck. So I'm not exactly, what do you think, Ryan? I don't know. Just gonna do it and see what we get. If anything, we can use some like wax and grease remover and like a brush with some stiff bristles or something to get the compound out. I don't know. But after we get the thing buffed up, go ahead and give the inside a little bit of a detail, and then we'll see where that gets us. So we're gonna get started on this thing. All right, guys, well, we got the mirrors off of it, as you saw. Ryan was trying to take the bug shield off, but they've got little flathead screws that aren't wanting to come loose, and they've got nuts on the back of them that are kind of, I don't know, what do you say, seized on. So pretty much just like these also. We wanted to get these off so we could buff under here. We'll just have to do that by hand. We can cut these off later, buff the front of the hood and put it back on, but just for right now, what we're trying to do, we're just gonna leave it, get the buffer in right here and keep going. So we ended up getting the tailgate on. We've got to remove this piece of wood, we learned, because the tailgate doesn't fully open and we can't put the safety straps on. Is that what you call those, safety straps?
I have no idea, honestly.
Sound like safety straps. I'll tell you one thing, I didn't have them on one of my trucks and my tailgate fell down. Yep. It was on the ground.
Learned the hard way.
Had to repaint it. But we're going to start buffing this thing out and see how she turns out. All right, guys. There she is. All buffed out. Man, she's looking good. Look at that. You can see my reflection. We can see your reflection.
You don't wipe her off again. You got her all dirty from the roof.
Oh, oops. Oh, well. She is shining good. I think this thing has almost all, if not all, original paint. These dually fenders, you can see a little bit of dirt in them. I don't know if they've been resprayed, or you can see a little wax there too. I don't know if they've been resprayed, or maybe from the factory they didn't paint the fenders at the same place they painted the truck, so maybe they got a little dirt in them. I'm not sure, but man, this thing polished up nice. Right here where we were worried about getting the wax and the rust, that's actually, this doesn't have no clear coat on it. That's blue wax that is actually stuck in the rust. I took some water to this side over here and got it all out of there. We need to do that to the same over there. But she is looking pretty stinking good.
Polish the mirrors up and put those back on.
And we polish those and do a couple other things. But I think Ryan's gonna go ahead and clean the interior.
Got the interior all cleaned up, scrubbing away. It's not as nice as what I would like it to be, but a little more elbow grease and it should turn out almost perfect. But cluster looks really nice. So much dirt in these like Western trucks. The guy must have been every day in like a national park, because this thing was dusty. You can still see it everywhere. But that'll take a little while to get everything out of there, but turned out super nice. Door panels look super, super good for being almost 40 years old. But maybe a little more TLC here and there. Got the CB looking like brand new. Maybe we can pick up some channels later. But looking really, really, really nice. A lot better than it did before when we got it. I think Jordan's getting ready to clean the wheels up and see what else we can do. Oh yeah, we do have to put the most important part, the emblems, back on.
Dang, look at this thing. What do you think?
I think it looks awesome.
This thing shined up good. We already showed you the shine and the original paint, but how can you not show them again? Shined up the tires. Those old 1999 dated.
They got a good shine on them.
Man, they look good. The whole truck looks good.
If you step back about 15 feet, it looks like it came off the showroom floor.
Oh, without the stupid
true.
tire on the front, but. Just go back over this thing. Ryan did the interior. Looks awesome. Show you what we haven't cleaned yet.
Still need to clean the bed out. But we took the things off to hold the camper.
Oh yeah, we took those off. I don't know if we told you guys or not. And then we did find out this back piece is only held in by a couple bolts. The camper does sit on this. And like we showed you before, this thing slides in and out. It's stuck. But I think we're gonna try to take that off and possibly lift this bumper back up with like a crane or something. We've got a frame guy that could probably put it on his frame rack and straighten that up a little bit. Then we could push the bumper all the way in, because right now we can't even open the tailgate all the way. But turn the lights on.
That's the coolest part.
That's the coolest part. Something about the tailgate I freaking love on this thing. Woo, man. That's cool.
We've still got to get the cab lights figured out. For some reason, all the bulbs work, we checked, and they actually do light up when you put power to them, but for some reason, they don't work. But
Usually when Ryan messes with something, it quits working. But
yeah, well, hey.
yeah, as you can see, we got the parking lights on. We don't know if both of these side marker lights aren't working, and neither are the cab lights, and we can't figure that out. And also,
Lights don't work.
oh yeah, the dash lights don't work. So we got to figure out what's going on, because how can you have a dually and not have cab lights?
It's not a dually. It's not a complete dually.
It's not a dually. We might as well take one wheel off each side on the back, because it ain't a dually without cab lights. So that's gonna about wrap it up. We've pretty much done almost everything we can do without buying parts for this thing. We ended up buying some stuff today, but they told us it's gonna be a few weeks out. So I don't know. What else do we do to it?
Gonna have to wait and see until we get the parts.
Yeah, we didn't clean the wheels and paint the wheels up for a specific reason. Those aren't on order yet, but we need to order those. But to put the wheels on first, we need the other parts, and
I can't wait.
it's gonna be sweet. I think it's gonna be sweet. Some people might not like it, but hey.
We might just have to put the camper back on.
Yeah, we might have to. Oh, one last thing. Two things, actually, I'm going to ask them. Let us know in the comments. Leave the spare tire or get rid of the spare tire. It kind of fits the look of the truck, but the look of the truck is going to change. And then also in the comments, let us know, do we leave the cool back window with the deer? Because we're going to modernize the truck a little bit. And the front tire and the back window kind of clash with what we're going to try to do. Now they are super cool, don't get me wrong. I mean, if we were leaving it looking like this with the old 16-inch boys, I'd leave all that. But I don't know. We want to tint the windows. We're going to do a few other things, and
the gun rack's got to stay.
The gun rack's staying for sure. But let us know what you think. Maybe we can put a 30% tint over this on the outside. Can you tint the outside? I don't know. That'd be cool to kind of leave it.
I would like to leave it, but it might look a little weird.
Yeah.
We'll see. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one.